OnePlus is introducing its new Turbo 6. The OnePlus Turbo 6 will arrive in 4 variants. It comes in 3 colors, such as Lone Black, Chasing Light Silver, and Wilderness Green. RAM will be 16 GB and storage will be 512 GB. Date will be 9000 mAh. Smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset with an octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno. It features an OLED touchscreen display with 6.7 inches screen size, 1.5K resolution and 165Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and high quality viewing experience. It will support a triple rear camera setup, a 50 megapixel flagship level main camera. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe our channel for more latest videos. Thanks.